All right, we are standing in front of the Brabus 4x4. This is the new G63 Squared. This is a brand new car. And we're happy we're able to work on these big beasts because they had that big recall from Mercedes-Benz. Funny enough, this customer had one of the early ones, and we did a full Brabus WideStar kit on that. That was actually the first in the country. Nobody was really doing Brabus on the 4x4s, and we went all out on that thing. We even had the original Brabus rocket exhaust system on there that only one time Brabus released to an outside dealer, and that was us. And that was a really epic build. But this same customer had to get rid of it. Mercedes bought it back from him because of that recall, and they had no idea when the recall was going to finish. So he sold it to Mercedes, he waited, and then he found this new one with the recall already obviously done and passed. So here you have it. He didn't want to do the WideStar on this one. The WideStar is about a $40,000 to $50,000 addition to what you see here. And Brabus stuff gets pricey, you know. So we got the V2 hood right here. You know, your hand could go through it. Before it was sealed and had no purpose, but now we actually have a, you know, flowing hood scoop. We have the carbon fiber around the front grille. We have the red B that the customer wanted. We're gonna do red stripes right here. We're gonna also add some red lights he wants to it. We have the front lower Brabus spoiler that's molded onto the bumper. This customer actually ordered, it's like a no-name brand, but these things right here become carbon fiber, and you could put an LED in there. So he wants an additional LED strip. So we're gonna be doing that later. But really, you guys saw this thing. It went from white to satin black. This is a wrap, which is ridiculous. This is one of the hardest, biggest cars to wrap, but it's a full wrap. And now we have these insane monster truck style wheels and tires. As you can see, AL13, which is now operated by our good buddies at MV Forge, made this crazy wheel for us. Has a big lip, has this really cool design to it that's kind of the trend now, and we got the big old Toyos on there. This is 24-inch, they're 13.5 wide, so super wide, super aggressive fitment. They poke out of the car, that's what he wanted. It's also rubbing a tad bit, so we're gonna have to be trimming that stuff. But once we trim that, it'll ride perfectly. This car will drive really nice. This is also the 700. So we installed the 700 kit package on there, and it has 700 horsepower. It moves, it has a blow-off valve on there as well, so it's louder. We're gonna be doing Rentec downpipes after basically these holidays are over. We're gonna be doing Rentec downpipes. We got the side steps, which is obviously one of the best things to get. This is not the cheaper one. This is the, you know, $11,000 Brabus side steps. It has the B on there, it has the lights, Brabus exhaust, so many goodies inside. Really, really beast car. Honestly, it has more presence than anything out there. If you want a big SUV, this is probably the baddest SUV out there. So pretty cool to see. We have 2025 G63s we're working on, 2 more of them. Very, very crazy colors, to be honest. You guys saw the matte black one we did and the gloss black. We're gonna be doing a deep green and a desert sand. So those two are very, very excited. We tried to finish the green one before the New Year's, but Christmas, New Year's being in the middle of the weeks really pushed us behind, probably about a week behind now. So we're gonna be finishing that green one soon. But yeah, hope you guys like this thing. I think it's badass.
How can you buy a jacket that yellow, that orange?
I'm gonna tell him to come over here.
No.
If you put both of your legs in, it'll work.
There's no room, okay. What am I gonna stand?
Just get on there with your leg.
No. No, let me go away.
Bro, just get in here. Bro, just step 1 foot in one. I'm not gonna hurt
You
you,
fit,
bro.
Moses.
I can't.
Bro, you'll fit.
Bro, I have back pain. I can't
Don't
even
doubt yourself.
You can get in there. Fat.
Wait, hold the camera. You get in there?
Nah,
Get in there.
he's a manager.
I can't, man.
Bro, just stand on it like this.
I can't. Oh, why am I gonna get in the box? He's gonna close it.
How?
You're
You're gonna be taller.
Can you imagine taping it, closing it?
Bro, you're gonna be taller. Look where the box
I
is
know.
gonna go.
Okay, just imagine like going like taping it all up. Just throwing it on the street.